Have you ever wondered how plants convert sunlight into energy? It's a question that's been pondered by philosophers and scientists alike. Well, the answer lies in a process called photosynthesis, a complex yet beautiful chemical dance that only plants can perform. In the heart of every green leaf, sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide are magically transformed into glucose and oxygen. This isn't just any magic trick, though. It's a transformative process that enables plants to generate the energy they need to grow, thrive, and reproduce. It's also the reason why plants adorn themselves in hues of green. That's right, the color green is more than just a fashion statement for plants. It's a reflection of the miraculous process of photosynthesis happening within them. So the next time you gaze upon a plant, remember this magic. Fascinating, isn't it? How sunlight, something we can't even hold in our hands, can be transformed into energy. So how does this process actually work? Well, let's break it down into simple, digestible steps, shall we? First off, we have our primary player, the chlorophyll. This is the stuff that gives plants their distinctive green color. It's found in structures called chloroplasts within the leaves of the plant. Now, when sunlight hits these leaves, the chlorophyll absorbs the energy from the sunlight. Think of it as a plant's way of charging up, just like we charge our phones. Next up, we have water. Plants draw up water from the ground through their roots. This water then reaches the chloroplasts, where the energy absorbed from the sunlight is used to split the water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. Now, here's where the magic of photosynthesis really happens. The hydrogen that's been separated from the water molecules combines with carbon dioxide, which the plant takes in from the air. This combination of hydrogen and carbon dioxide forms glucose. If you're wondering what glucose is, it's just a fancy name for a type of sugar. This glucose is what gives the plant the energy it needs to grow, repair, and generally do all the things that plants do. Finally, let's not forget about the oxygen. Remember the oxygen that was separated from the water molecules earlier? Well, that doesn't go to waste. Instead, it's released back into the atmosphere. And that, my friends, is why we have oxygen to breathe. So next time you take a deep breath, remember to thank the plants. In essence, it's a process of transformation, from sunlight to energy with a bit of water and carbon dioxide thrown into the mix. It's a beautiful cycle, one that quite literally breathes life into our planet. So the next time you see a leafy green plant, remember, it's not just sitting there looking pretty, it's hard at work, powering itself and giving us the oxygen we need to live. But why is photosynthesis so important, you may ask? Well, the significance of photosynthesis extends far beyond the realm of plants. It's a process that underpins life as we know it on Earth. Think about it. Every breath you take is largely thanks to photosynthesis. It's the primary method by which oxygen, an essential element for most organisms, is introduced into the atmosphere. Without photosynthesis, our breathable air would quickly run out, and it doesn't stop at oxygen. Photosynthesis also plays a starring role in the carbon cycle. Plants absorb carbon dioxide from the air during photosynthesis, effectively acting as a natural filter. This helps to regulate global temperatures and climate, making Earth hospitable for various forms of life. So, the next time you enjoy a breath of fresh air or marvel at a lush green landscape, remember the marvelous process of photosynthesis that makes it all possible.